Okay, so the next question, question number 5. The question is, the first term of an AP is 5. So I'll quickly write down A as 5. The last term is 45. So the last term we denoted by AN is equals to 45. The nth term is 45. We don't know what term. Is it the 15th term or the 17th term? So we don't know which term they're talking about. So that's why we write AN, where we don't know what is n. So nth term or the last term is given as 45. And the sum is 400. So sum of these n terms is given as 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So find the number of terms and the common difference. So this is the question here. So we have an equals to 45, Sn equals to 400. So using both the conditions, you can have two equations. So an, I'll use the formula, nth term formula, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d, when I use, a value is known, which is 5, plus n minus 1, d value is unknown, so I write d as d itself, is equals to 45. Okay, and likewise, so if I simplify this, I'll get n minus 1 into d is equals to 45 minus 5, which is 40. Okay, it cannot be simplified much, so we'll leave this equation as it is for the time being. Now let us solve Sn equals to 400 equation. Sn I'll use, because an is known, the last term, and a value is known, I'll use this equation, n by 2 a plus an formula. So n by 2 a plus an. So a is 5 plus an is 45. So this is equals to 400. Okay, this is what we get. So we simplify further. N by 2, this becomes 50, is equals to 400. Now this 2 and 50 cancels by 25. So n becomes 400 by 25. So we can cancel by 25. 25 ones are 150 means 6. So n becomes 16. So that is one of the answer what they are asking for. They are also asking d value. So this n equals to 16, we can substitute here and solve for d. So when I substitute 16 here, you get 16 minus 1, which is 15d as 40. So d is 40 by 15. So 5 is a factor. So our answer is 8 by 3. So this is the d value, this is the n value. Okay, so the next question, question number 6. The question says, the first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350. So the first term is 17 and the last term is 350. So the last term we denoted by an. Okay, an meaning the nth term or the last term. If the common difference is 9, so common difference is 9 given in the question, how many terms are there and what is their sum? How many terms are there, meaning n they are asking, and what is their sum, meaning Sn is what they are asking in the question. Okay, so here a and d values are given, so I can use an equals to 350 equation to find the value of n. An, nth term, we know the formula, an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus a is 17 plus n minus 1 into the common difference value is 9. So for an I have substituted the formula equals to 350 as it is. So the 17 goes to the other side, n minus 1 into 9 is 17 we subtract. So we get 333. So we get n minus 1 is equals to 333 by 9. So we divide them. 3 is a factor, 1, 1, 1, and we can again do the cancellation. So it gives you n minus 1 equals to 37. That gives you n equals to 38. Okay, so that's part 1. They're also asking Sn. Sn meaning sum of 38 terms. Now we know the value of n. So that means we need to find S38. So S38 we can find using this formula. Why? Because here a value and an value both are known value. And n value is also known, which is 38. So I can substitute 38 by 2, a plus an. A is 17, an is 350. So it's just a simplification. This is 19 into, this will give you 367. So we just have to multiply 367 with 19. And that will be 73, carry 6, 54, 54 plus 6, 763. So we get 6973 as the sum of these 38 terms. Okay, so that's how we solve this question.